Hello, welcome to this DCS F14B tutorial. In this video, I will be covering navigation. So to begin, there are two methods that I'm going to show you for navigation. The one is TACAN, and then the other is a waypoint-based navigation. So to begin, I'll make sure I'm in nav mode on my HSD display, and I'll tell Jester which TACAN I want to go to. So I'll open my Jester menu, main menu, navigation, and I will tell him I want to go to a TACAN, and then tune ground station. So if I wanted to go to Senaki, which in this case is 31X TSK, I'll simply click the button and he will input Senaki's TACAN and allow us to navigate to it. In order for us to see the TACAN information on our repeater down here, we would go to our steer command and choose TACAN. Now we have an arrow indicating which direction to fly to go to the TACAN station, a distance to the TACAN station, and a course line that we can set. So if we wanted to go into runway 27, we would set our course line to 270 with this knob here. And now our TACAN and nav is tuned to land us on runway 27 at Senaki. So here we can see a line off to the left and a center line. What this is telling us is we need to fly left until this line is in line with the big outer section. So let's do that. Slowly becoming in line. If we want bigger changes, we can just fly directly towards it. Approaching the outer line section, so I'll turn back in towards the TACAN. And now with everything all lined up, the plane has already put us on course to land at 27 at Senaki. I don't have it within visual because it's 65 miles away, but it just goes to show that right now we are lined up with our course. So I'll line up a course line that we are headed straight for the runway at Senaki. So if we just fly it all the way in, it'll get us there. The next navigation method is creating a steer point from a waypoint on or a mark point on the map, which is the simplest method I find. So what we're going to do is figure out where we want to go. In this case, let's say I want to fly to where these units are. I will come up to the map, mark label, click, and I will type in a name that I recognize. So I'll say waypoint 1, WP1. Go back to the cockpit and simply tell Jester from the navigation menu, steer point from map, choose any of these, so I'll choose waypoint 1, and then it will tell me the list of mark points I've created, in this case WP1, 14 seconds ago, west-northwest, 60 miles. So if I choose that option, Jester will then set the navigation to go there. And all I need to do is choose the navigation option, destination. Once Jester finishes punching buttons, we will have an indicator to fly us where we want to go. Alright, Jester has inputted the information. We can see it as a range of 53 miles now. And instead of flying towards that outer caret, we're going to fly towards this upside down V. And that will take us right where we want to go. I'll show that again, but let's say I want to go to a mark point out here. We'll call that WP2. Tell Jester once again, navigation, steer point from map. We can choose either WP1, WP2, or 3, doesn't matter. This is just saving it in the plane. So I'll choose WP1, and then choose the mark point I just made, WP2. Just gonna start punching in the numbers. He's finished punching in the numbers, and now we could see that the chevron updated, and all we need to do is fly towards it, and that will take us directly to the mark point we just made on the map. Navigation is extremely easy in the F-14 if you utilize both of those methods. That covers everything. Thanks for watching.